Hello, hi, nice to meet you.
So, question.
Okay.
The 180 includes, I just want to make sure, I want to confirm everything's right for him. The 180 is for you to unlock, reinstall the key fob, and get it set up for him? Just want to make sure.
My girl has one.
How you learn this? You go to school?
I pay somebody to teach me, and then just practice every day.
I don't even care if it takes an hour, bro. I just want to.
Push the unlock buttons.
Not targeting.
Check her out. Number of the key should be 4. 4. We're gonna try to start the car. There you go. Lock, unlock.
You good?
Yes. Thank you.